Playmakers. Okay. Out on my wrist, counted and spin it. Mad at the coupe, mine with no tennis. Chop out the top, hit it the limits. I got some cash, I wanna spend it. New paper tag, didn't wanna rent it. Too many fads, too many bitches. Roll my slime, get in my lizard. Ready to slide, you will get slithered.
What is up, Migo gang? It's your boy Kev. It is 9 o'clock in the morning and I went out last night and I'm super tired, but I gotta get this installed, so I'm gonna go to the hobby shop, which is like literally like 30 seconds away from the dorms, and install my test pipes. I can't wait. I know it's probably gonna take me a while and looking on my phone of like how to install it, but I hope I get it done. I hope I do it right. I hope. So let's go to the hobby shop. They open at 9, so it should be open right now. So I'll catch you guys when I get there. Out. Three hours later.
Hey, yo, man,
and
so
we only have one.
I'm gonna just send you an invoice, right?
So I just finished installing the test pipes. It is 3:30. I started at 9:30. It was so rusted and I did not get a chance to record because I wanted to get it done. I did get some videos, but I had to call my friend to come and help me, because if he didn't, I would have still been there and I probably would never figure it out. But it definitely has a beefier tone. I'm gonna go for a drive right now. This sounds so much better. But yeah, this was probably a headache. Like, literally took like 5 hours just to do. And there is a little small exhaust leak, which I'm gonna fix, but
like Gucci my pants. She used to dip with no hand. I just spent the rest of my fame. Space on land. Fair got bands. Another pan of red. Drink to the head.